Hello, my name is Bill Snyder. I'm the Director of Sales with Construction Electrical Products, and we'd like to welcome you to Series 2 of our Temporary Power Basics training videos. In Series 1, we concentrated on your portable generators, your 5,000 to 10,000 watt size generators. In Series 2, we're going to concentrate more on your diesel-powered towable generators. This one in particular here is a 25 kW generator, and you'll see these are typically equipped with a 50 amp circuit that has 50 amp full power outlets on there, 50 amp, 125, 240 volt rated outlets. Now the challenge is pretty much the same. You want to get your power, your temporary power, as close to the job site as possible, and it's not always possible to get these where you need it. So the challenge to you is getting that power into areas where the actual work is being done. And typically how that's accomplished, it's accomplished with temporary power boxes and temporary power cords. And what's great about this particular design is you can run directly off of your 50 amp outlets into your temporary power boxes. Now the big challenge is when you're running into temporary power, you want to be able to comply with all the UL, all the NEC code regulations that are out there on the job. And these boxes allow you to do that. As you'll see, this particular box here is equipped with 6 NEMA 520R receptacles and one 30 amp 250 volt outlet. And that's pretty standard throughout the industry. So what you need to have on all of your 20 amp outlets is you need to have your Class A rated GFCI protection. So you have your GFCI modules here which protect your 20 amp outlets. So you're going to have a total of 6 GFI modules protecting all 6 of your outlets. And then you have your breaker box here, and you have all of your 20 amp circuit breakers that are protecting your 20 amp outlets, and you have your dual pole 30 amp breaker that's protecting your 30 amp 240 volt outlet. So with a particular box like this, you're able to run power off your generator, and you're able to comply with all the NEC code requirements out there on the job site. You'll also notice with this particular setup here, there is a feed-through option, which allows you to daisy chain multiple boxes down the line. So now what you can do is you can run off of this generator, you can run multiple boxes, and you can space them out in different areas where the work is being done. And what's great about that is everything downstream, as long as you're utilizing these kind of temporary power boxes, is code compliant and safe. The other big advantage with a particular setup like this, with this design, is what we call our plug and play design. You're able to plug directly off of the generator into your temporary power boxes. Once power is supplied from the generator, your power will go directly into your boxes and you're ready to do your work. What that does is that expedites your setup time, and it expedites your teardown time too as well when the job is done. It's very simple to simply plug this into the generator, plug into your temporary power boxes, and then you have the power that you need to do your work. And then after the work is done, you just simply unplug your power cords, you roll these up, put them into the trailers with your temporary power boxes, and your temporary power setup is removed from the job site. So that's typically what you're going to find with this size generator, with your 25 kW size generators. And that concludes Series 2 of our Temporary Power Basics training. Be sure to catch Series 3, which you can find on our website at cepnow.com.